Hello everybody, this is Ron from Holland brand and we are today at the city of Hollywood. In this project we have a sliding gate, we have a few panels and we have a pedestrian door made here in Canoga Park factory. 100% aluminum, 100% powder coated. All of our products give great solution for rust problems and maintenance issues, unlike wood or iron, and I will show you very quickly an iron gate which is right next to our products here, and you will see what it looks like. A bunch of rust everywhere. Compared to our aluminum product, this will never be a problem. Except for periodic cleaning, it does not require repaint, it does not require any type of stain or anything like that. All it requires is once in a while clean up with a little bit of water, or you can just let the rain do the job. On the slider we have a photo eye for safety, of course. These are rack and pinion operators. They are small but powerful. How beautiful is this project and this house is right now with this beautiful, shiny, clean, white fence and gate. Thank you and see you in the next video.